Well done for getting to the end of this section. We're going to look at a few more tips about how to save money in your budget. We've talked about energy bills, but it applies to all bills. You might be paying too much for your internet or your TV. Query with these providers and try and get the best deal you can. Remember, loyalty does not pay when it comes to providers. You have to look after yourself and save as much as you can. When comparing bills, use comparison websites like USwitch for your gas or compare the market for insurance. Just make sure that you're getting what you already have so you don't lose out. Tell your current provider that you're thinking of leaving if the costs are too high. They might have a better deal for you. If the deal they offer you isn't satisfactory, just leave. No harm, no foul. Managers often work Monday to Friday, so if you want to get these good deals with someone who can approve the change, I'd phone in on a weekday. It's more likely to happen. Cashback is a great way to save money and to get a little back for yourself. Look at cashback websites and see if any of those websites are ones that you frequently use. They feature websites like eBay and Amazon. If you use these websites regularly, it's worth looking into. Remember to negotiate, research, and compare prices, and you could potentially save up to hundreds of pounds a year. I hope you've enjoyed this section, and I'll see you in the next one.